Dealing with pain, take a print of my brain, flash it on the screen, you won't leave the cinema sane. Had a following, fondling it, wouldn't let go, till I spiked the easy football into the Def Jux end zone. And when it hit the grass, it covered the crowd with mud. Mom slipped my bare ass out, I covered the ground with blood. Then she wiped it on my face like war paint, then slapped me, I cry, I'ma die with a hardcore brain. Crack the door's frame. When I open the world.
Basically, the season so far was so cool. Like, in terms of progression goes, it's just been amazing. Riding together has just pushed each other so much. Like, everyone's learned heaps of tricks. Riding every day at Bear Mountain. We took a few day trip to Utah where we hit some handrails. Every day's a highlight, really. Like, every day is just so much fun.
We're going too far, nobody can reach us. I'm starting to drown and I'm covered with leeches. Until my last breath, they'll be screaming from the bleachers. Then I'll be dead like on my t-shirt. Despite all my rage, I'm a rat in a cage disguised. Communicate to love, injecting bleach in my eyes. The dubiously demented, dented, the dependent cradle. Slipped through a grasp on a broken glass, highly unstable. I left that label, unable to keep my masters. No whip, broken shit, chick left me a week after. Overdosage of mushrooms, no ugly obstacles. At the hands of boy record scene, dance like the hospital. In the club, I don't dance.
I stand with a glass of vodka. Come and turn swipe my bastard father. Left my mother with a kid.